Oh, yep, that wins. Oh, man. No way. We're driving right through it. Whoa.
And that Rain-X wouldn't work. No wipers.
Sponsored by Top Dog. Holy shit.
You can barely see Devin's tail line.
You can't see it on camera at all.
No.
No. Devin's gone. Just
Lay it up.
clean it up. What is that? Respect the build.
Those them GTA Doom buggies, baby.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that line is not moving at all.
It's a Cookie Monster. Hey, dude, it's Spider-Man.
Really nice.
Hey, that storm coming. Yeah. This thing go crazy. That's nice. Is this a Jeep commercial? What the hell? On to the next place.
No, that has to be true.
Let's go. Holy shit.
Son, he got the cab.
Been doing them calf races.
We are currently going to go see the two-stepping. We missed out on it. Report live News 13. We have Austin in pursuit.
We have a 20% chance of Wayne.
Right here, we're gonna have them go out that way.
Why is this thing two-stepping?
Hey,
What? Hey, I don't know. Why is the TRX two-stepping? What is happening?
oh shit. We're about to die, look.
He better not do it right here.
We're literally gonna
He
die.
better not. Stop.
Oh, this guy's leaving.
Oh, he leaving. Was that even a two-step?
Oh, is that the Corvette?
No, everybody scats.
This ain't gonna work. This is gonna take so long. Too long.
How? Dude, the other guy didn't even two-step. Boo.
This guy went this one.
If they would all stay back, all of us could see. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I gotta get on Snapchat.
I'm looking up people's phones.
That sounds like absolute fucking shit. Yep. See ya.
Now I'm gonna go out.
Hey, get out the fucking way. Oh, yep, that wins.
Look at the baby, bro. Look at the baby. Look for the baby.
Holy crap. We got a loser.
It's so difficult for people to back out. I really don't understand it.
Hey, you in front of me, zoom in. I can't see.
Get your heads out the fucking way!
Hey, phone hand.
Blue shirt! Get the fuck out of the way!
Blue shirt, move over. You're right in the camera. Hey, Gray, move.
Get the fuck out the way!
Hey, you're getting there. There you go.
Ah, thank you!
I think that went. I think it sounded better.
Or that for the second best.
Oh God. You about to lose.
I'd be so embarrassed.
Yeah,
I know.
This is
like,
about to be bad.
This is like the most famous this guy's ever going to be. Right?
Facts.
This is his prime.
I want to see someone car blow up. Don't you?
What?
It might blow their car up.
Me too.
What the fuck? Boo. Yeah.
Game for square body.
See you later, buddy.
He can back up though. At least he knows how to drive. Thank you. Good job.
Back up.
Oh.
Hey, that thing hot.
That thing hot. Hey, I'm back in the war. Oh. The poor baby. What's your opinion on that?
I hope that was the most disgusting face you ever got. I really do.
Get the fuck out the way!
Now act like you never seen a bike before. Holy shit, it goes fast. Get out of the way.
Get your big ass foreheads out the fucking way! I can play a whole game of dog.
Guess what? They all pop the same. Move.
Fuck this!
That sounds like a glitch. What the fuck?
No! Not even make the truck go, he's already won!
Yeah, that's all you needed.
That thing sounds like shit. Stop.
Sounds like fucking shit, man.
Look, it sounds the same! Come on, come on, come on!
What the hell is that?
Truck one!
You're kidding me, bro? Hey, he's popping popcorn. You're telling me that one out of everything? The Corvette should have won. Sounds different right here. Devin's gone. Frogger. That was shit. Anything for a picture, baby. Alright, here we go. How does he expect me to take a photo of that? Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Drives past going fucking 120, expecting me to just get a fucking roller. It's our bus driver.
Yeah, aye, aye. Yeah, aye. Yeah, aye, yeah, like what I'm supposed to do. I don't really wanna think about the truth. I don't really wanna think about you. I don't really wanna speak about it all. I don't really wanna try to make amends. I don't wanna try to be a friend. I think I'd rather die than see the end. I think I'd rather live than see the light. I think I'd rather be the man and have it playing the one that don't make the people like. Ooh, marijuana smoke, backwood to the brain, it's just a coat. Roll it up on the plane and fade away. Take a hit, maybe take the pain away. Real talk, I'ma take your breath away. Deep inside of space, yeah, I'ma make it out. Go far, man, all the way without you. Why you hating now? Is it cause I'ma start is breaking now? Oh shit, like I remember now. Think I better could've gone a day without all the talk cause I let it get to me. Can't believe what it really meant to me. I'ma be what I'm really meant to be. I'ma see everything eventually. No time for the drama, names and hating. State of mind you projected onto me. All the time in the world for growing now that I would ride to the point that I could see. As a fact you were never meant for me. And I mean that shit respectfully. Ooh, fuck it up. Money on me, I run it up. I'm in that beat, I rev it up. Who do I see me coming up? Yeah, fuck it up. Money on me, I run it up. I'm in that beat, I rev it up. Who do I see me coming up? Yeah, fuck it up. Money on me, I run it up. I'm in that beat, I rev it up. Who do I see me coming up? Yeah, fuck it up. Money on me, I run it up. I'm in that beat, I rev it up. Who do I see me coming up? Yeah.